Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom frames in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva, a desktop version. This is the PC version of Canva. Now in order to create one, you can click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find here the frame creator. You can draw and style custom frames. Frame creator allow you to design a custom frame by drawing directly on the canvas. So you can click use in new design or use your existing design here. For example, let's try with this one. So here you can click add point to start creating a frame. Or you can clear it here, for example. And border color you can choose and simply create frame, and here we go. So this one, for example. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.